The 18th century in India. The 18th century in India was marked by significant changes in society, economy, and polity. This period saw the decline of the Mughal Empire, the rise of regional powers, the entry of European colonial powers, and the emergence of new socio-economic structures. Here is an overview of these aspects. Society. Mughal decline and regional powers. The Mughal Empire, which had been a dominant force in India, began to decline in the 18th century. Regional powers, such as the Marathas, Sikhs, and Rajputs, asserted their autonomy and established their own rule in various parts of the subcontinent. Social hierarchy. The traditional caste system continued to be a defining feature of Indian society. However, the decentralization of political power often allowed local rulers more autonomy in their regions. Cultural flourishing. Despite political fragmentation, the 18th century witnessed a cultural renaissance. Arts, literature, and architecture flourished in different regions, with the development of distinct regional styles. Economy. Agriculture and trade. Agriculture remained the backbone of the Indian economy. The subcontinent was known for its diverse agricultural practices, including the cultivation of spices, cotton, and indigo. Trade, both within India and with other parts of the world, continued to be vibrant. European trading companies. The 18th century saw the increasing influence of European trading companies, such as the British East India Company and the Dutch East India Company. They played a significant role in shaping the economic landscape of India, engaging in trade and establishing control over certain regions. Economic exploitation. The economic exploitation of India by European powers, especially the British, intensified during this period. The drain of wealth from India became a significant issue, impacting the economic stability of the subcontinent. Polity. Mughal fragmentation. The political landscape of India in the 18th century was characterized by the fragmentation of the Mughal Empire. Regional powers like the Marathas, Sikhs, and Nawabs emerged as strong political entities. European colonial powers. European colonial powers, particularly the British, French, Portuguese, and Dutch, established their presence and influence in India. They often entered into alliances with Indian rulers and engaged in conflicts to expand their territorial control. Maratha Confederacy. The Marathas emerged as a formidable force in the Indian political scene. Under leaders like Chhatrapati Shivaji and later Peshwas, the Maratha Confederacy expanded its influence over large parts of central and western India. Decline of the Mughal Empire. By the end of the 18th century, the Mughal Empire was reduced to a symbolic authority. The last Mughal emperor, Bahadur Shah II, faced challenges from both regional powers and the British. In summary, the 18th century in India was a period of transition and transformation. The decline of the Mughal Empire, the rise of regional powers, and the increasing influence of European colonial powers were central themes that shaped the socio-economic and political landscape of the subcontinent. This laid the groundwork for the subsequent period of British colonial rule.